Hello everyone, my name is Maggie. I'm a flip furniture mom. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to give a new style to this piece. I did this piece 6 months ago and I'm not selling this grandmom style. Looks like the people not like it. And today we go to give a new style to this piece. Transform for a new modern style. A bohemian style. I'm going to keep the same color. I love this color. I'm going to sand the front door drawers in pure wood, change the hardware and make a new base legs. Let's go to start and see the final work. I don't need you to clean it because it's already cleaning, but I'm going to change the hardware for a modern one. Metallic silver. I'm just going to sand the front drawers in pure wood. I'm going to outside to sand this, and before I start I'm going to fill my old holes because I'm going to make a new ones. I'm going to use the quick wood and says I can stain over this. Let's go to see. The front drawers is already sandy, but have this issues on all the hardware. I try to take it out, but I can't. Let's see what I can do. I'm going to stain now and see what I can do with this. This wood looks to me like sherry. I don't know, but looks like sherry. Let's go to see if I can take these marks off. While waiting for the stains dry, let's go to make the base. Measures for base legs. I leave 1 inch the side to the middle for the base legs. To use the same stain I use on drawers, chestnut stain, gel stain on the base legs. I like to put extra support on the back, make sure this no fall. I really love this stain color, but I need to do something for cover this old hardware holders. because the kind of wood filler with stain is not covered. I'm going to use this stencil. Perfect to cover everything. I make a new holes for my new hardware. I love how this dresser comes out. Now I'm go selling with the clear satin, the drawers, just the drawers, with a synthetic brush. Dresser comes out. I'm in love with these stencils on the drawers. I love the different wood the drawers have. I'm in love with the pulls. I love the base legs. I really love the base legs. I hope you enjoy my video like I did to make it. Please, now you can buy me a coffee or check my Amazon wish list. See you next time. Bye!